And the mountain of snow. Katatapos lang namin mag ice skating. Not cross country skiing. Yeah, and I fall how many times. It's very hard. It's hard to study on it. I'll take an exam with that. I'll take a course for cross country skiing. So that when I go back here, I'm professional. Very nice, fresh air. I like the view. You will see snow. You know, this is on. We're already on the top of the mountain. Yeah. So, ayan siya, may kitang siya. Oh, you know, this is a lake, small lake. That is filled with snow already, but turning to be a water soon.